In today's fast-paced world, our brains are constantly bombarded with information, distractions, thinking, and stressors. And yet, we're expected to be more focused, productive, and mentally sharp than ever before. The truth is, our mental fitness is just as important as our physical fitness, but often gets neglected. That's why I want to share with you 15 daily habits that can help boost your brain power and take your mental performance to the next level. We've all been there, struggling to focus on a task, forgetting where we put our keys, or feeling mentally foggy after a long day. The reality is, our brains are capable of incredible feats, but we need to give them the right fuel and care to function at their best. But what happens when we're stuck in a rut, struggling to concentrate, or feeling overwhelmed by the demands of modern life? It's like having a high-performance sports car, but forgetting to put gasoline in the tank. We've all experienced the frustration of trying to remember something, only to have it slip our minds at the worst possible moment. Or feeling like we're constantly playing catch-up, unable to stay on top of our workload or personal tasks. And let's be honest, who hasn't felt like they're losing their mental edge, struggling to keep up with the pace of the world around them? The good news is that it's never too late to make a change. By incorporating a few simple habits into our daily routine, we can start to see significant improvements in our focus, memory, and mental clarity. So, what are these 15 habits that can help boost our brain power? From practicing mindfulness and meditation to exercising our bodies and getting enough sleep, these habits are designed to be simple, practical, and effective. We'll explore habits like learning a new skill, reading every day, and taking regular breaks. To relax and recharge, we'll dive into habits like journaling, practicing gratitude, and setting clear goals for ourselves. Becoming smarter isn't just about being born with certain abilities. It's about developing habits that stimulate your mind, enhance your thinking, and help you learn continuously. Adopting daily practices that foster mental growth, creativity, and intelligence can help you unlock your full potential and increase your cognitive abilities. Let's dive into 15 habits that can make you smarter every day. 1. Read regularly. Reading is like a workout for your brain. It exposes you to new ideas, perspectives, and information that can broaden your knowledge and understanding. Whether it's fiction, nonfiction, news articles, or scientific journals, reading helps develop critical thinking and comprehension skills. Make it a habit to read at least 20 or 30 minutes daily. How to make it a habit. Set aside a specific time each day for reading, like in the morning or before bed. Start with topics or genres you enjoy to develop the habit. Use apps like Kindle, Audible, or Blinkist for easy access to books and audiobooks. 2. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness and meditation are powerful tools for enhancing focus, reducing stress, and improving cognitive function. By spending just 10 to 15 minutes each day in mindfulness or meditation, you can boost your brain's capacity to handle complex tasks, manage emotions, and remain focused under pressure. How to make it a habit. Start with guided meditation apps like Headspace or Calm. Practice mindful breathing exercises or yoga. Schedule a regular time, such as early morning or before bed, to meditate. 3. Learn a new language. Learning. A new language is like a superfood for your brain. It enhances memory, problem-solving skills, and multitasking abilities. Language learning also helps to build new neural connections, which can keep your brain sharp and agile. How to make it a habit. Use language learning apps like Duolingo, Babbel, or Rosetta Stone. Dedicate 10-15 minutes daily to learning new vocabulary or practicing conversation. Engage with native speakers or language exchange partners. 4. Exercise regularly. Physical exercise isn't just good for your body. It's crucial for your brain health too. Exercise increases blood flow to the brain, promotes the growth of new neurons, and releases endorphins, which can improve mood and cognitive function. Regular physical activity is linked to improved memory, concentration, and overall mental performance. How to make it a habit. Incorporate 30 minutes of moderate exercise, such as walking, jogging, or yoga, into your daily routine. Use fitness apps or trackers to set goals and track your progress. Find a workout buddy or join a class for motivation and accountability. Engage in creative activities. Creativity is closely tied to intelligence. Engaging in creative activities like drawing, writing, painting, playing a musical instrument, or even cooking can help improve problem-solving skills, enhance memory, and boost cognitive flexibility. How to make it a habit. Set aside time each week for a creative activity you enjoy. Take up a new hobby, like learning an instrument or joining a creative writing group. Challenge yourself with creative projects, such as writing a short story or creating artwork. 6. Get enough sleep. Sleep is essential for brain function. It's during sleep that the brain processes and consolidates information, repairs cells, and removes toxins. A good night's sleep can enhance memory, mood, and cognitive function, while lack of sleep can impair your ability to learn and think clearly. How to make it a habit. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Establish a regular sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time daily. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, like reading or listening to calming music. 7. Ask questions and stay curious. Curiosity is the foundation of intelligence. Asking questions, seeking new knowledge, and exploring different perspectives keeps your mind active and engaged. Cultivating a curious mindset can help you learn faster, think more critically, and approach problems more creatively. How to make it a habit. Challenge yourself to learn something new every day, whether it's a fact, a concept, or a skill. Ask questions and engage in discussions with others to broaden your understanding. Use online resources like TED Talks, podcasts, or documentaries to explore new topics. 8. Play brain games and puzzles. Games like chess, Sudoku, crossword puzzles, and brain training apps can help keep your brain sharp by improving memory, focus, and problem-solving skills. These activities stimulate different parts of the brain and enhance cognitive function over time. How to make it a habit. Dedicate a few minutes daily to playing brain games on apps like Lumosity or Peak. Challenge yourself with weekly puzzles, like crosswords or Sudoku. Engage in strategy games like chess or Scrabble with friends or online opponents. 9. Practice reflection and journaling. Reflecting on your day, thoughts, and experiences can help you understand yourself better, identify patterns, and improve decision-making skills. Journaling allows you to organize your thoughts, analyze your actions, and set goals for personal growth. How to make it a habit. Spend 10 minutes at the end of each day writing in a journal. Focus on what you learned, what you're grateful for, and what you could improve. Use prompts to guide your reflections, such as, what did I learn today? Or what challenges did I face? 10. Maintain a healthy diet. A balanced diet rich in essential nutrients such as omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals is crucial for optimal brain function. Foods like fish, nuts, berries, and leafy greens can enhance memory, focus, and cognitive performance. How to make it a habit. Incorporate brain-boosting foods into your daily meals, such as salmon, blueberries, and spinach. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Avoid excessive consumption of sugar and processed foods that can negatively impact brain health. 11. Learn continuously. Adopt a growth mindset that embraces continuous learning. Whether it's taking an online course, attending a workshop, or pursuing a new degree, continuously challenging yourself intellectually helps keep your brain active and sharp. How to make it a habit. Set aside time each week for learning, such as enrolling in online courses or reading educational material. Follow industry trends and stay updated on topics that interest you. Engage in discussions or join study groups to reinforce your knowledge. 12. Build and maintain social connections. Social interaction is vital for cognitive health. Engaging in meaningful conversations, Building friendships and participating in community activities can enhance mental agility, emotional intelligence, and overall well-being. How to make it a habit. Make time for regular social activities, like meeting friends or attending community events. Engage in group activities, such as book clubs, sports, or volunteering. Practice active listening and empathy in your interactions to deepen your connections. 13. Practice problem solving. Actively seeking out and solving problems, whether in math, logic, or everyday life, enhances your critical thinking, creativity, and analytical skills. Developing a problem-solving mindset helps you approach challenges more effectively and adapt to new situations. How to make it a habit. Take on challenges that require you to think critically, like complex puzzles or strategic games. Approach daily tasks or obstacles with a problem-solving attitude. Reflect on how you handle problems and identify areas for improvement. 14. Stay physically and mentally active. Physical activity, as well as mental stimulation, is crucial for cognitive health. Combining physical and mental exercises, like dance classes, martial arts, or yoga, can provide a dual benefit by engaging both the body and mind. How to make it a habit. Choose activities that challenge both your physical and mental faculties. Set goals and track your progress to stay motivated. Try new physical and mental activities regularly to keep your brain and body engaged. 15. Develop emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence, EI, involves understanding and managing your own emotions, as well as recognizing and influencing the emotions of others. High EI is linked to better decision-making, improved relationships, and greater mental well-being. How to make it a habit. Practice mindfulness to become more aware of your emotions. Develop empathy by actively listening and trying to understand others' perspectives. Reflect on your emotional responses and work on managing them constructively. In conclusion, developing these 15 habits can significantly enhance your cognitive abilities and make you smarter every day. Intelligence isn't static. It's something you can nurture and grow with the right daily practices. Remember, small, consistent actions often lead to the most significant changes over time. Choose a few habits to start incorporating into your routine today, and watch how your mental agility, creativity, and problem-solving abilities improve over time. It's not about trying to incorporate all 15 habits into our daily routine overnight. It's about starting small, making gradual changes, and being consistent. By incorporating just a few of these habits into our daily routine, we can start to see significant improvements in our brain function and performance. Incorporating these 15 habits into our daily routine can have a cumulative effect on our overall brain health and performance. By prioritizing our mental fitness, we can improve our focus, memory, and mental clarity, and unlock our full potential. Thanks for joining me on this journey to boost our brain power. Remember, it's all about making small changes that add up over time. So, which habit are you going to implement first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about how to improve your mental performance, be sure to check out my next video on related topic.